The best fire with the cleanest look and the largest view. It is true. The most authentic masonry appearance available is here. Your fireplace is the backdrop of all of life's memorable moments. Whether you're relaxing after a long day or entertaining guests, your fireplace is with you, steadfast and comforting. Vivid flames rise through an illuminated LED ember bed and accent lighting, so you can enjoy the ambience with or without the fire. For the most authentic fireplace appearance, we turned up every detail. High-definition logs, glowing embers, brick interior panels, or add a touch of modern with reflective black glass interior panels. Witness it all through virtually invisible anti-reflective glass and control it with IntelliFire touch remote control system that is simple, smart, and safe. All you do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the fire. Big impact, bold fires, and distinctive details. The true gas fireplace from Heat&Glo. Visit your local dealer or heatandglo.com to learn more.